Hey, what's up, Caps Ninja? Sensei Lance here today with just a quick self-defense tip, something that you can do, something that you can use in a self-defense situation, especially if you're dealing with someone that's a lot larger than you, somebody that's trying to grab you, abduct you, take you somewhere that you don't want to go, and they're a lot bigger than you, and you need an equalizer. You need something to kind of balance this little confrontation out. I have been noticing that more and more people, especially being more environmentally conscious, are starting to carry their own water bottles. They're starting to filter their own water, and they're carrying their own water bottles. And I picked this water bottle up. This was like $5, and it is made of stainless steel. This thing is solid, and it's empty right now, and it's still just as solid as a rock. And man, this thing right here, if someone attacks you and tried to grab you, abduct you, or whatever, all right, this right here can be used as a great weapon. Not just from here, like we can grab it here, hold it nice and tight for like a hammer fist effect, using the blunt here, boom, go to the body, or boom, go super low. But also, look, you can grab it like this, like an actual, like we've practiced in past videos, some of our stick fighting tactics. You can use it like that. You can here, okay? You can actually use some of those motions, tacking low, tacking high, tacking to the throat, to the ear, to the side of the head. This thing is solid, and it can be used as a great self-defense tool, okay? So, make sure, keep that in mind. Not only are you using great self-defense habits here, but you're also being environmentally conscious. So, go, if you want, if you can, get you a good solid bottle, start filtering your own water, and then you can also have a great self-defense tool if you need it in a self-defense situation. All right, y'all. Have a great evening.